Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Let's start with some cricket. The Caribbean Premier League looks set to bowl off in August as the Trinidad and Tobago government is expected to give the tournament the green light in the coming days. The regional T20 tournament was under threat due to the ongoing pandemic, but with the Twin Island Republic seeing a major decline in active cases, the organizers are confident it will begin on its original August 18 start date. Chairman of the Sport Company of Trinidad and Tobago, Douglas Camacho, revealed plans are already in place for the 5 franchise teams to arrive before the end of July.
The dates are known, the schedule is drawn on the assumption that it's a go. They will be coming in a couple of weeks early put into the Hilton. Arrangements are being made to have the University of the West Indies cricket field as a secure area so that after, on the say, about 8 days, that first test that you have to test negative for, it will be allowed to start training in a very controlled way. Those dates are pretty much cast, if you like, in concrete.
Camacho also says there's a possibility fans will be allowed at the games during the latter stages of the tournament.
If things continue in this very positive way in the island and we decide to allow at the back end of the tournament maybe some fans into the stadium, how we manage that and so on. And to be honest, the Cricket Board of Control has been very proactive. And they would take the responsibility, all the responsibility for any additional, whether it's additional cost, the revenue and everything. So it will give them, if they manage it well, it will give them some funds for their own programs and so on. And really be a good kind of symbiotic relationship and a win-win for everybody. And CPL has agreed.
Camacho was speaking with Trinidadian talk show host Andre Batiste. The CPL is currently scheduled to run from August 18 to September 10, with all 34 matches being held at the Queen's Park Oval and the Brian Lara Academy. West Indies fast bowler Kemar Roach says the possibility of facing just 2 of the top 6 batsmen who played the series in the Caribbean does not affect the mentality of the Windies team. Joe Root, Keaton Jennings, and Johnny Bairstow, who played the series in the Caribbean in 2019, will not play the first test, which starts on Wednesday. Jos Buttler could move down 1 spot to 7 in the England batting lineup. But Roach, who claimed 18 wickets in that 3-match series, says though not facing a familiar batting lineup, the Windies bowlers will be up for the task at hand.
Well, different conditions now. We're in England this time, so I've seen that England have made some changes to their batting lineup. So it's all about assessing each batsman and finding out their weaknesses and obviously exploit them. Of course, I would love to have the same batting lineup because that's what we got accustomed to for the last couple series we had. So, but some few changes here. So it's all about sticking to your game plan and then assessing each batsman, as I said, and let's see how well we can come up against them.
In the meantime, Roach says there is no real concern over the form of Captain Jason Holder. The 28-year-old failed with both bat and ball in the 2 warm-up games, but Roach says he expects Holder to be at his best come Wednesday.
Yeah, obviously Jason is very important to us going out there. He had a niggle early in the camp. Obviously, he's been treating that, and I think he's ready and raring to go now. I'm sure that he can come out here and obviously get himself ready and mentally prepared to obviously start on Wednesday. So I'm not really too concerned about it. We all know how Jason plays. He's very free-spirited as well. He expresses himself, and he's fun to have around. So I'm sure once he's fit and ready to go, his mental aspect of it will come along, and he'll be definitely ready for the test match on Wednesday.
Wednesday's game will be played at the Agios Bowl in Southampton.